As the coronavirus spreads, more people are concerned about how to disinfect their homes and hands. There are important things that we need to know about disinfectants to make sure that they work effectively and pose no risk to us. I will cover the 3 disinfectants, plus ammonia, that we all use and their main ingredients, helping you to understand the whys and hows on a chemical level. Don't worry, it's not very complicated. The prerequisites for this video are middle school to high school chemistry. First, let's talk about alcohol. Now, alcohol is an organic compound that contains at least one hydroxide group that is bound to a hydrocarbon chain. Assume that this is a hydrocarbon chain. Now, what is a hydrocarbon chain? A hydrocarbon chain is a molecule that contains only carbon and hydrogens. One example of a hydrocarbon chain is this. Now, in healthcare, alcohol means either ethanol or isopropyl. The shorthand formula for ethanol is this, and the shorthand form for isopropyl is this. Oops. Ethanol is the most common of the two. Not only is it used in medicine, it is also found in alcoholic beverages because it is a product of fermentation. Now, how do alcohol interferes with cells? First, it dehydrates cells. When a cell's environment has a high concentration of alcohol, this is a cell, and alcohol, the water inside the cell gets drawn out, and alcohol is soaked in. And then, when alcohol is inside the cell, it denatures its proteins. This means that it causes the protein to lose its shape, and therefore destroying its function. For example, if a protein originally looks like this, after encountering alcohol, it becomes like this. And then alcohol dissolves lipid bilayers. Lipid bilayer forms the outer membrane of most cells and viruses, including that of the coronavirus. Alcohol works in a very similar way to soap. It breaks down these membranes, causing the cell or the virus to fall apart. Now, what should we be careful of? Warnings. First, only 60 to 95% water-based alcohols are effective in killing germs. 60 to 95%. If less than this, you do not have enough alcohol. If more than this, you do not have enough water for the alcohol to work. The best concentration to eliminate germs is between 70 to 75%. Second, we need to close the cap tightly after each use. Alcohol evaporates very quickly, and since alcohol is flammable, it is very dangerous for it to be present in the air. Also, because of this reason, we should not spray the alcohol into the air nor directly onto surfaces. Instead, we should apply with a cloth or paper towel. So number 3, do not spray. Do not spray into the air.